everybody, welcome back to my channel, and this is all the things I hate about my car. Don't forget y'all to give me a thumbs up, a subscribe, all that stuff. Help your girl out. Y'all know y'all like it here. Y'all know y'all like it here. Okay? Thumbs it up. First things first. Oh. Okay. Huh. Guess I gotta manually get up in here. Also, there is no heated seats in this mug. What? No heated seats? Cold outside. No heated seats. No heated steering wheel. What else? No automatic start. It's freezing. Aww, got a tiny screen. What the heck? I need the screen to go all the way out here. Like, what? Tiny screen. I think I want some air. Let's raise down the windows. Where? Oh, there's no. Oh, okay. Oh, I guess. Oh my goodness. What's Oh, that's fine. It's fine. You know, you gotta roll the windows. That's fine. Let's get out the car. I want to show you guys something. Hold on. Oh snap! There's no step. Oh, I gotta jump. Oh yeah, no. Oh, okay. I guess I gotta manually lock it. Oh, and I gotta go over there and manually lock that door too? Okay. On a positive note, I do plan on getting a lot of these things. Yes, I can get a step. Yes, I could probably get heated seats. Now, I was trying to get, see if the dealership will install like automatic windows and stuff, but the last dealership that I went to and I tried to do that, they tried to get me to buy another car. But I did not notice all this stuff when I bought the car, because you know what I was worried about? I was worried about the color of the car. I was wondering whether I should get a yellow, what's it called? Yellow mellow, whatever. I wanted the yellow one, the Rubicon with the red accents around it. Yellow or red, that was fine. I didn't even notice all the stuff that was missing, all the luxuries on the inside. You going to get your Jeep, make sure y'all pay attention to the luxuries. And y'all probably thinking like, obviously, duh. But listen, sometimes you zoom in and you focus on the wrong things, and that's exactly what I did. Okay, when I got up into this car, the salesman already had started the car. He already had unlocked the car, so I didn't even think about all the stuff that I would have to be doing. Anyway, that's it. I still love my car, y'all. It's just, you know, I'm just complaining.
Not for sale, boy, you know it.